Here's how to connect Gemini to Roblox Studio in less than 3 minutes. Today I will show you in a step-by-step guide how to use Roblox Studio's built-in MCP connection with Gemini CLI without adding a third-party Roblox MCP plugin or writing any code. First, open Roblox Studio and load the place you want Gemini to control. Once the project is open the Assistant panel. Click the three-dot menu in Assistant, then select Manage MCP Servers. You'll see the MCP server settings for your studio session. Next, turn on Enable Studio as MCP server. Quick Connect options should appear. Then open Assistant settings and select MCP servers. Expand the Quick Connect section to see supported clients on your computer. After that, find Gemini CLI and select or enable it. Roblox Studio will add the connection settings automatically, so you do not need to manually enter an MCP command or JSON configuration. Once the setup is added, restart Gemini CLI. Now start Gemini CLI and run /mcp list. The Roblox Studio MCP server should appear in the list with its connection status. Once it shows as connected, ask Gemini to perform a simple task such as inspecting the current Roblox place. If you don't see this option, there's another way. First, confirm Gemini CLI is installed, then restart Roblox Studio. If Gemini still does not appear in Quick Connect, use Roblox MCP settings to view the JSON configuration instructions. The manual method requires adding the Roblox MCP server to Gemini settings, so use Quick Connect when available. Once everything is set, Gemini CLI will show a connected Roblox Studio MCP server and can interact with your open project through the built-in connection. Following these simple steps makes connecting Gemini to Roblox Studio quick and easy.